Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need minimal but specific setup. Choose PyTorch or TensorFlow and install the packages because the API shapes your code. Once done, load and normalize your dataset, split into train, validation, and test so metrics are trustworthy. Now define a lightweight model skeleton with explicit input shape and output classes. Start with a single hidden layer or simple CNN. This gets you running fast and lets you iterate on architecture and data handling without losing time on peripherals. You now construct the core. Implement layers and regularization so the model can learn useful features and choose activations for stability. Then pick a loss and optimizer. Cross-entropy with Atom is a reliable starting point and set a sensible learning rate. Use schedulers if loss plateaus. Write the training loop that performs forward passes, computes loss, calls backward propagation, and steps the optimizer. Validate after each epoch to watch generalization. Save checkpoints periodically so you can resume or compare versions. You finish by evaluating on the held-out test set and interpreting metrics beyond accuracy so you understand failure modes. Once satisfied, export the model in a deployable format, wrap it behind a lightweight API or container, and test end-to-end latency and memory. Monitor performance in production and log inputs to detect drift. If performance is poor, one key troubleshooting tip: check data pipeline mismatches first. Normalization, labeling coding, or shuffled labels often cause silent failures, so verify raw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.